Good job, team. Congratulations, Little John. Nakapasa ka na.
Dr. Hook, hindi ko in-expect na masasabi ko to sa inyo. But, we wouldn't have made it kundi dahil sa inyo. Thank you, sir. I'm sorry. Masyado kong maraming reklamo. Akala ho namin pinahihirapan niyo lang kami.
Naging mahigpit ako sa inyo. Because I want you to succeed. Tandaan nyo, ang tunay na samahan may kaakibat na paghihirap at sakripisyo. Paghihirap sa training, sakripisyo ng emosyon. Siguro naman, naiintindihan nyo na ako ngayon.
Yes, Doctor!
Aalis pa rin ba kayo?
No, Doctor!
Big Bird,
Yes, Doctor!
di ba sabi mo you love training?
Medyo lang, Doctor.
Training's not over yet. Move it!
Hindi kaya ma-penetrate ng regular bullets ang Busanian armor.
Unless, meron tayong very high caliber.
Which our pistols and rifles lack.
Until now.
Engineering crew report to deck 70. Engineering crew report to deck 70.
CBF Research and Development finally created special Busanian armor-piercing bullets to be issued to all ADF service arms.
Ayos. Patas ng laban.